Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 4 on Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, Forza Horizon 4 is an exclusive title developed for Xbox consoles and Windows personal computers. This means it is not natively available on the Nintendo Switch platform. The game requires specific hardware and operating systems that are not part of the Nintendo Switch's architecture. Therefore, you cannot directly download or install it on your Switch device. While direct play isn't possible, some might wonder about cloud gaming. Cloud gaming services allow you to stream games over the internet, much like watching a video. Certain services can enable playing PC games on various devices, including potentially the Switch through its web browser or specific apps if available. However, this method relies heavily on a very strong and stable internet connection for a smooth experience, and official support for Forza Horizon 4 on Switch via cloud is not provided. The primary reason for this exclusivity lies with the game's developers and publishers. Forza Horizon 4 is developed by Playground Games and published by Xbox Game Studios, both part of Microsoft. They strategically release their titles on Xbox consoles and Windows personal computers. The Nintendo Switch, on the other hand, operates on a completely different hardware architecture and a proprietary operating system, making direct porting a complex and often unfeasible task without significant redevelopment. Since playing Forza Horizon 4 directly on your Nintendo Switch isn't an option, you might explore other fantastic racing games available on the platform. The Switch boasts a wide variety of racing titles that offer different styles of gameplay, from arcade fun to more realistic simulations. You can find many excellent games specifically designed to take full advantage of the Switch's unique features and portability, providing hours of entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.